when people look at Saudi Arabia or Chinese investors looking at Saudi Arabia, the kingdom has a very strong financial system and, of course, a strong oil sector. How can the partnership with China, including the government as well as Chinese investors, help to diversify Saudi Arabia's economy?
First of all, we have a good success story from decoupling from oil. The growth of the non-oil sector was more than 5% over last year. We see already the success. Now, I believe governments have done most of their job. It's now on the business sector. The unique location we have on the Saudi West Coast, the access to natural resources at predictable prices, provides access to those companies to newer markets, working with Saudi investors through win-win partnerships to have more added value and rebrand sometimes create more added value as part of a larger ecosystem for supply chains and value chains in the region.
But again, and also know Saudi Arabia is very keen to invest overseas as well. What are some of the investment opportunities that you see or the country is seeing from China?
If you look at historically, we have only one major investment done by Sinopec in Yanbu with Aramco building Yasref. And the President Xi, during his visit in 2016, inaugurated that refinery, and great things happened. Just recently, we have Baos Steel. They just partnered with Aramco to work in a new sector that looks at the value chain of not just shipbuilding, but also heavy equipment and machinery. The options are unlimited, not just for the Saudi market, because we believe if you come here, invest, and serve only the Saudi market, we've failed. To reach our $3.2 trillion target of gross fixed capital formation, this has to be a hub. It has to be open. It has to allow joint investment, trade, and joint investments that could take the Chinese companies to have deeper access into Africa and more access into Europe, but also through these win-win partnerships that bring the best of both worlds to the table.